Hello, my dear friends. I'm so happy you're here again. Today, I'm going to show you two amazing homemade skincare recipes. Gentle, nourishing, and perfect for rejuvenating the skin at any age. Our main ingredient is something very simple, but incredibly powerful. Rice. Yes, plain white rice you probably have in your kitchen right now. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Rice has been used in beauty rituals for centuries, especially in Asian cultures, to keep the skin smooth, firm, and glowing. First, rinse the rice thoroughly under cool water. This helps remove dirt and excess starch. Rinsing is an important first step. It prepares the grains and allows all the nutrients to be extracted during cooking. Rice is rich in antioxidants that help slow down the aging process. It reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves elasticity, and brings a natural glow to dull skin. It also contains ferulic acid, which helps brighten the skin tone and fade pigmentation. Rice water is a true treasure for the skin. It soothes irritation, calms redness, and acts as a gentle natural toner. You can use it daily, as a refreshing splash in the morning or a calming rinse before bed. Now, let's cook the rice. Place about half a cup of washed rice into a small saucepan and add 500 milliliters of purified water. Be sure to use clean, filtered, or bottled water. This makes a difference. Turn the heat to low and stir occasionally. Let it simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the nutrients to fully infuse the water. While the rice is cooking, take a deep breath and relax. This is your moment of self-care. Skincare isn't just about beauty. It's about honoring your body, your age, your time. Every step you take is an act of kindness to yourself. By the way, if you're enjoying this content, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post 1 to 2 new recipes every week, and I love reading your comments and experiences. Now that the rice is soft and the water looks creamy white, turn off the heat. Let it cool slightly, then strain it using a fine sieve or a cheesecloth. This beautiful, silky liquid is our rice tonic, the base of our rejuvenating treatment. You can store the rice water in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Pour it into a small glass bottle or jar and shake before each use. Use it as a toner after cleansing or as a face mist throughout the day. Now, let's make our rejuvenating face mask using this amazing rice tonic. Take 2 tablespoons of the rice water and pour it into a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel, either fresh from the plant or pure store-bought gel. Aloe vera is soothing, hydrating, and helps reduce fine lines. Now, add a pinch of cornstarch. It helps tighten the skin and gives the mask a silky texture. Mix all ingredients until smooth. You should get a light gel-like consistency. Using clean fingers or a brush, apply the mask evenly to your face and neck, avoiding the eye area. Lie back and relax for 15 to 20 minutes. Let the mask work its magic. Imagine all the natural ingredients sinking into your skin, softening, hydrating, rejuvenating. After 20 minutes, gently rinse your face with lukewarm water. Pat dry with a soft towel. Your skin should feel instantly smoother, fresher, and more elastic. You can use this mask 2 to 3 times per week. With regular use, it can help improve skin texture, reduce redness, and restore radiance. Pro tip: you can also soak a cotton pad in rice water and place it under your eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Leave it on for 10 minutes. Your skin will thank you. And if you have leftover rice water, don't throw it away. Use it as a hair rinse. It strengthens hair, adds shine, and can help with scalp irritation. Taking care of yourself doesn't need to be expensive or complicated. Nature gives us everything we need. We just have to listen. So, my dear friends, I hope this recipe brings a little joy and glow to your day. Let me know in the comments. Have you ever used rice for skincare? Or maybe you have your own secret ingredients. I love hearing from you. Your feedback and suggestions inspire me to create more. And don't forget, beauty is not about perfection. It's about care, love, and consistency. Until next time, stay radiant, stay confident, and take care of your beautiful self. See you soon. My sweet friends, if you're still with me, thank you so much. It means the world to me. I hope this little ritual of self-care brought a smile to your face today. Now I'd love to hear from you. Really, what natural ingredients do you trust the most in your skincare? Is it honey? Oatmeal? Maybe yogurt or banana peel? Tell me in the comments. I always read your replies and sometimes even use your ideas in my next videos. Also, I'm curious. Do you prefer recipes for face masks, hair care, or full body scrubs? Your answers help me create content that you truly need. Let's make this a space where we inspire each other, where beauty is about real, simple care. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to glow. Sometimes it's the rice in your pantry and 15 minutes of quiet that makes all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Share it with a friend who deserves a moment of self-care, and of course, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And one more thing. Would you like to see my 7-day glow challenge, where we do one simple beauty ritual every day for a week? Together? Let me know in the comments. I'll be watching for your votes. Until then, take care of your lovely skin, your beautiful soul, and each other. See you in the next video.